Hi, Erica Ellie here. I wanted to take a few moments to speak with you about what's on the Father's heart tonight. And what's on His heart is you. It's souls. It's the condition of your heart. You see, the Lord is concerned with, and He is touched and moved by our infirmity, by the things that hurt us, the things that make us fearful and afraid. He's concerned with those that are being held captive in their minds, those that are being taken advantage of and lied on and rejected. He cares about the one. Sometimes we just see the 99, but He's asking you tonight to see the one, to see them set free.